Good day, my dear students! I am Teacher Jessa, and today we will discuss an important topic in our subject, English, which is grammatical signals. These words or expressions that help connect ideas and make our sentences and paragraphs clear and organized. We will focus on three types. These are general to particular, claim and counterclaim, and cause and effect.
Now, let us begin with general to particular. So this pattern starts with a general idea and is followed by specific details or examples. In simple terms, you first present a broad idea, then explain it using examples.
For example, many students enjoy extracurricular activities. For instance, some join sports like basketball, while others participate in music clubs. Notice the signal words like instance and specifically. So these words help move from general ideas to more specific details.
Next is claim and counterclaim. A claim is your opinion or stand about an issue, while a counterclaim is the opposite view of an argument. For example, some people believe that social media is helpful because it improves communication. However, others argue that it can distract students from their studies. Signal words like however, on the other hand, and but are used to show contrast between ideas.
Lastly, we have the cause and effect. This explains why something happens and what happened as a result. The cause is the reason, and the effect is the result. Example, because students spend too much time on their phones, they may lose focus on their studies. As a result, their academic performance may decrease. Common signals include because, therefore, as a result, and due to.
We use these grammatical signals in real life, especially when explaining ideas, giving opinions, and writing essays.
For example, when discussing school rules, we can present our opinions clearly using claim and counterclaim. We can also use cause and effect to explain problems and their results.
To sum it up, grammatical signals help us organize our thoughts and communicate clearly. They guide the reader or listener in understanding our ideas. So remember to use the signals to connect your ideas effectively. Thank you for listening. I hope that you learned something for our today's session. Goodbye!